Hello Eagles, how is everybody doing? I hope you're well. Today I have a question from Michael from our Eagles and Mentorship group. And if you're new to us and you're just joining us, I'm Mother Eagle, and I'm here to share things that I've learned along the way that will hopefully help you in your personal development journey so that you can become the greatest version of yourself and go out and win. Well, and we do have an Eagles group, so on Facebook you can follow the link below and join us there. Oh, I also have the book Live Like a King Without Going Broke. All right, yeah, you can find it in your local bookstores or online. Well, let's get started. So the question from Michael was, every time he saves money to start a business, he ends up spending it before starting the business. Well, this is not uncommon. Starting a business is not just about the idea of starting a business. It sounds good, but it calls for commitment, dedication, the desire, the faith, the persistence. So in the process of organizing yourself to start a business, there is going to be a lot of personal growth on your part to prove that you actually want this business. Business is not easy. It's not just a matter of going out and starting something. It's a matter, it takes planning, it takes dedication, it takes the desire, that burning desire that is so deep that you're willing to put in the hard work and action. You're willing to sacrifice today just a little bit in order to be better tomorrow. So in Mike's case, I guess the advice to you would be, one, discipline yourself as you're saving for that business. Two, did you pick the right business that you actually want? Because something that you want so badly, you will not even dare divert the monies to something else. You know, you'll protect that little asset of yours with your heart. So monitor and see that business you want to start, is it really what you want to do? Because it looks like there are other priorities that are taking over the money, meaning the business is not a priority right now. You know, you remember, you have to commit to the journey. If you're going to save up for your initial investment, yes, that is a commitment. You basically, you're training yourself how to save, how to allocate. You're training yourself in all these other personal skills, like even how do you deal with people? Because in your business, I'm sure you'll have to hire labor, you'll have to talk to contractors and talk to suppliers. You'll have to have personal skills, you see. So it's a combination of building yourself up as an individual so that you become a better business owner. Otherwise, every handicap you have as you get into business is going to be highlighted like 100 times. If you're weak at budgeting, it's going to show up in your business. If you don't know how to save, it's going to show up in your business, because you'll end up eating up all the money. If you don't know how to allocate or to delegate, all those things will show up and highlight the business, causing failure. So one, work on yourself, work on the discipline of saving your initial investment. Make sure you're picking the right business that gives you that excitement and desire and that urge to actually push and, you know, and do the things that are required in order to start a business. I hope that helps. It's Mother Eagle here. Leave us more of your questions. We'll do our best to answer them. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.